State Weather Bureau Pag-asa has launched a new update on their website where the public can now view more detailed weather forecasts daily. Moreover, real-time weather data is also available from the Weather Bureau's various observational tools.
Yung pinaka-key features talaga ng panahon tool natin is basically yung auto-updating. So, ito ay combination ng mga automatic stations na nag-update nearly hourly or pwedeng 10 minutes. So, kapag nag-update na yung data, is automatic na siyang makikita dito sa panahon tool natin.
Pag-asa is aiming to reach the general public to better educate or provide them with information regarding the weather. With this innovation, the disaster risk managers, as well as local government units, will have more detailed information and can use them in planning for possible disaster or calamities.
This will really help them making a sound decision, lalo na doon sa mga simpleng activity, lalo yung ating chance of rain. So kung magkakaroon ka ng birthday party bukas, so at least pag sinabi ni Pag-asa, bukas may 70% chance of rain, so aagam-agam ka na 30%, baka hindi mo ituloy.
The State Weather Bureau is also planning to make this innovation phone-friendly, so it will be easier to access for everyone. In relation to this, the indication of the start of the La Niña phenomenon is still not visible according to Pag-asa. Pag-asa Weather Services Chief Telma Cinco said that it is currently only at 65% of their monitoring.
We are looking towards August to October na from transitioning from entry neutral to La Niña by August to October to a weak La Niña. Pero currently, hindi pa tayo nagtataas na maging alert. No? So yung chance natin ay mababa pa rin, but we still have that uncertainty. Pero nakikita natin towards the end of the year. Usually, tataas natin siya sa alert pag naabot niya yung 70% chance for the next 6 months. So currently, ay hindi pa yan naabot. So we are still on the watch.
Jed Neresina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people. We give glory to God.